Welcome to My Zone Online School. My name is Teacher Mutsa. Get your education booklet in our daily newspaper, street sales, or at your school every Monday to Thursday for pre-primary up until grade 3. The lessons are for listening or watching online. Inside the newspapers, there is an insert of the lesson booklet. Please cut the top of the lesson booklet with a pair of scissors and fold it for ready to use. But there is more. We are also available on our online platforms, MyZone and Zoshi Facebook pages, and in addition, our website, Zoshi Online. Hello everyone and welcome to My Zone Online School. My name is Teacher Mutsa and thank you so much for joining me today. Our theme this week is My Family. And before we get into any lessons, boys and girls, we need to sanitize. So let us take our sanitizer and sing our special sanitizing song. Sanitize every day so the germs can stay away. Sanitize every day so the germs can stay away. Yay! Good job, everyone! For today's lesson, we will be doing some cutting and sounds. Our first exercise today, boys and girls, let us turn to page 19. Now on page 19, there's nothing there. And that is because it's going to be your job to cut out different family members' chores. Now you can find it from a magazine or a newspaper or from any type of book that you can cut from. And then after you're done cutting, you can paste them in the box below. Now I'm going to show you what chores look like for each family member. Now the word chores means a special job to do at home. We have the first one that you can see, a boy who's putting away his toys. That is his special job in the house. The next one, we have father who is mopping the floor. That is his chore as well. The next picture we can see is of mother and another child who is cleaning the dishes. That is also a chore. The next one we can see is of a little girl, sister, and her job seems to be to feed the dog. Oh, look at that dog, it looks so hungry. Then the other chore that we can see down below is of someone dusting the tables. Uh-oh, and it looks like he's about to sneeze. Oh no. Then the last thing we can see is of a man, maybe father, throwing away the rubbish. So remember, chores are little jobs we have to do in the house to keep it clean and safe. And the chores are always done by the family members. So if you have a special chore at home, I want you to remember it. And also, I want you to ask your parents to give you one more chore, because the more chores you have, the more responsible you will be, like a big girl or a big boy. Also remember, my dear children, that a pair of scissors can be very dangerous. So when you're cutting out from a magazine or from a newspaper or any book, make sure that there's an adult near you and you are holding your pair of scissors correctly. And when you are done, please put your pair of scissors away because it is not a toy. Also, when you are sticking your pictures, make sure that you use a glue that is easy for you to use. And when you are done with your glue, please put the cap on so that it does not dry out. Have fun looking for your family members doing their chores, and I will see you soon after the advert break.
Follow us on MyZone Facebook Active Kids to watch your daily lesson and other fun activities with Zoe and Zoshi.
For our last exercise today, boys and girls, let's now turn to page 20. On page 20, we can see that we have some friends. Oh, and they're so happy to see us. These friends have their own names, and it is going to be our job to circle the names with the same ending sounds. Now remember, the sound that a person has in their name can also sound the same as someone else. So we are going to go through each of our friends' names and see which ones have the same ending sounds. And then when we find them, we are going to circle. Now the first person is the boy. Hello. And his name is Titus. Titus. Now we want to find out if Titus is going to have the same ending sounds as his other friends. Let's go to the next one. The girl wearing the green. What is her name? Well, her name is Marina. Marina. Titus. Marina. Do they sound like they end the same? No. So we are going to leave Titus and say goodbye to him. Goodbye, Titus. Now let's go to the next friend. We have Chesrina. Does the name Chesrina have the same ending as Marina? Chesrina. Marina. Yes, they do. They sound like they end the same. So you are going to circle Marina and Chesrina, the beautiful girl with the glasses. Now let's move on to the last girl who is wearing a pink dress. We want to find out if her name sounds the same as Chesrina and Marina. Her name is Serena. Serena. Chesrina. Marina. Does her name sound the same? Yes, it has the same sounding ending. Well done, everyone. So you are going to circle Marina, Chesrina, and Serena. Good job. When you are done, you can wave goodbye to our 4 friends. Bye, everyone. So keep practicing the different sounds, and even with your friends and family, try and find out who has the same ending sound. I will see you soon, my dear friends, after our advert break.
Do you have children in the age range of 5 to 6 years and want to participate in our school booklet program? please contact us on 081 74 3759 and we will put you on our distribution list for the attention of pre-primary schools. Topics include family, summer, culture, traditions and houses, transport and communications, occupations, autumn, and more. We distribute countrywide in over 7 different languages.
We have now come to the end of a lesson, boys and girls, and I hope that you managed to finish your work. Remember, if you do not know or you don't understand, you can always ask an adult. Just make sure that you finish your work by yourself. Now that we are done with the lesson, let us sanitize. So, we are going to start by rubbing inside our hands, in between our fingers, around our hands, on our wrists, and the fingertips too. Well done. Make sure your hands are dry before you touch anything else. I wonder though, my friend Sashi said he was going to come and visit me, so I want to know where he is. Oh, hello Sashi. So, from Sashi and I, we would like to say thank you for joining us today and goodbye.
Our online school will help you along the way. Find us at www.zoshi.online and download the booklet. Follow us on Facebook to never miss a video. Subscribe to our Zoshi Telegram channel if you want to receive daily updates. Proudly sponsored by the Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture, Namibian Community Trust, UNICEF, My Zone Online School, Amos Meerkat Syllabus, and Capricorn Foundation.